Hello! Good morning dito sa Ireland. Ang ganda-ganda ng araw. Andito ako sa tuktok ng bundok. Wow! Daming tao sa baba kaya ayoko doon maglakad. Oh, daming tao sa baba. Oh, ayoko doon. Kaya dito na lang ako. Yan, tatahakin ko yung daan na maliit. Daming tao dun sa baba. Lakad na tayo. Para ako nagpunta ng Kasyawan. Umpisa na tayo, lakad na. It's 7 degrees Fahrenheit. Ang lamig dito ngayon. Okay? 7 degrees. Mayroon naman sa daan sa baba kaya lang maraming tao. Dito wala. Kasi kukuha pa ako ng kukuha pa ako ng mga patay na sanga. Nalagay ko doon sa orchids ko. Madulas guys, madulas. Kaya ingat-ingat, madulas. Sus, Ginoo, parang daan papuntang Kasyawan. Daan papuntang Kasyawan. tirik. Kaya didiretsuhin ko na lang yan hanggang dulo. Ay, narating ko din. Narating ko din. Now, dito tayo daan. Narating ko din. Oh, may naglalakain. Oh my God, paakyat. Hello. Nasaan kaya yung bag ko? Mamumulo tayo ng ano guys. Nasaan yung bag ko? Nalaglag ata. Nako. Na-disgrasya ang bag ko. Oh, ito. Ito pala. Ito. Yan. May dala akong bag. Kasi mamumulit ako ng kahoy. Na paglalagyan ko. Ilalagay ko yung ito. Orchid. Diba ito yung kahoy ng pang-orchid? Hello. Ali. Yeah, watching me. I picked this one for my orchids.
Oh yeah, it's perfect
Yeah.
for orchids.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hello.
you have a lot of orchids.
No, I have one patch, but getting more and more, you know.
Yeah.
And then look like cannot breath, so not. I mean the flower is gone,
Yeah.
and long time ago no flowers come up. So I tried to separate into three.
Yeah.
So I picking this to put in because 3 pots I need to separate into 3 pots. So and I don't have any.
And hopefully they'll be successful.
Yeah, because I tried the one to 1 year, no flowers come up. So what I do, I take out from the pots and I cut the root and I will put back into the pots and I put like this. And then oh my God, after how many 4 months, at least 4 months, the flowers until now the flowers is still wow, very nice. And the, you know, and the stem come up is very, I mean, very fat, you know, big one.
Yeah.
And the flowers give big flowers as well. So yeah.
Because ours, they flower maybe twice a year. But I was thinking I'd like to try and make
Yeah.
new ones. So
Yeah,
this could-
take out the fat.
yeah.
That's nearly my friend throw out. I say no, don't throw. So I take out the fat and I take out all the old one, the old turp, you know, they put
Yeah.
before. I take away and change new one, cut a bit the, you know, the root. Take out the root, some of the more dry root already, you know.
Yeah.
Is that's not used. So take out, cut and put a new one so they can breathe, you know, they can breathe and then the flowers will be very nice.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
Anyway,
That's nearly dying already my how to call that orchids before, but I say I try to make, because in the Philippines we do like this.
yeah.
The orchids only in the, you know, in the wood and
Oh, really?
yeah, only put like that and put the tight one. Yeah.
But sometimes they're just having a rest and then they come back again by themselves.
No.
Just give them a little bit of water and leave
No.
them in the light.
No, because that one is 2 years already not give the flowers.
Oh, for 2 years.
Yeah, so I take out and, you know, I change the turps and cut some.
Yeah,
The old I mean the old soil I take out and change new one.
yeah.
Yeah. And once a month or 3 times every 3 weeks. I will dip in the water within 24 hours.
Yeah, so you stand them in the water.
Yeah, in the
Only
sink.
Once every 3 weeks.
3 weeks, yeah.
Yeah. My mother takes hers when it's raining and puts them in the rain sometimes.
But if you put outside, oh, dying.
yeah,
Yeah, died. Yeah, because my friend, she put the one, because many years not give the flowers, she put outside, and then when I see, it's gone already. Yeah.
probably.
So this one now, this is 2 years already, no flowers, and getting bigger and bigger, more and more. So I try to separate into 3. So I come up now to get this. Yeah. Yeah. Bye bye now. So many. Ang daming aso. Diyos ko po, nakakatakot yung aso. Ang lalaki. Baka yung kinangkal dito, may ihi na ito dito kasi umiihi din ako minsan dito eh. Okay, pwede na siguro yan. Pero 3 pots yun, pero okay na siguro ito. Okay na, tama na muna. Bye-bye.